What's up everyone? Welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV and today I have the Apple Watch Series 4 with the aluminum case in space gray. I picked up the black sports band and this is the 44mm model with cellular. Now if you're thinking of picking up this model, this is going to run you about $529 US. Let's get started. So let's peel back the plastic. So there it is, the front just says watch. On the back side here, you'll just see the specifications of the version. So let's pull these tabs back here. Pretty simple. 1, 2, and let's open it up. It looks like a box within a box. Actually, we have the band that you purchased underneath, so there's 2 boxes to this. And we'll just move this one to the side. We'll open the band last. So on this box, not too much to it, very minimalistic. You have the watch face. On the back is just similar specifications. We'll open up the box. Not as dramatic as the iPhones, but it comes in a little felt case here. So first up, we have the manuals and quick start guide. Doesn't look like there's any stickers. The same 5-volt charger that you would get with your iPhone. And we have the charger. Now what's great about this, if you had a 3 series Apple Watch, the same charger will work on the 4 series. Lastly, we have the watch itself, and you can see it's inside this little felt case here. Let's just pull it out, and there it is. Very nice. As for the band, we'll open that up next here. And like I said, I went with the black sports band for this version. So if you're coming from the 3 series Apple Watch, the bands are going to be interchangeable. You'll be able to use all your 3 series bands with the 4th series Apple Watch here. And what's nice, they even include the small medium band right here as well. So that's what's in the box. Let's boot it up and take a closer look. So Apple has increased the screen size by 30% and they've rounded the edges, which matches perfectly with the edges of the iPhone XS. You can also see the difference in color between the space gray aluminum finish on the Apple Watch, which gives you more of a matte look, compared to the stainless steel space gray on the iPhone XS, which has more of a polished look. On the back, as you saw earlier, it's completely redesigned from the previous Apple Watches. It's now made of ceramic and sapphire, which should improve cellular signals, and underneath it all, it houses the optical heart rate sensor. On the side, Big Red has been replaced on the digital crown with a more simplistic red ring that delivers haptic feedback and has an electrical heart rate sensor built right into it. The mic has also been moved from the previous generation to the right side. It's further away from the speaker, which should improve functionality, and because of that, the speaker grills are now larger, which should increase sound volume. The larger OLED display makes everything look and function better. Text is larger, apps and icons are easier to open and maneuver around. There are new watch faces and many complications that can be added to them. The crown is seamless and the speed is definitely improved with the new S4 chip. And at first glance, it finally feels like you can actually use the watch for what it's intended for. But I'll be going over all of this in more detail in my full review. So definitely subscribe to be notified when I post the full review. As always, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and share the video on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one.